Assalamu alaikum, and I'm present the paper Cell Biology. What is cell? Which I post yesterday itself. Hello? Okay. Girls, what is cell? Answer me, what is cell? I'm asking a question. Cell is a? Okay, then. Say again, pardon? Okay, then. Okay. Cells are building blocks of organisms. Okay? Yeah, it's really very small. Girls, I'm not hearing your voice. Okay. Each and every plant and animal. What? Girls, each and every plants and animals is made up of cell or cells. Did you know this? Yeah, cells are the building blocks of organisms. A cell is the structural and functional unit of organism. Okay. Then first it was discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665 in a cock. Yeah, 1665. The cell is living unit and life actual resides in it. The cells are possesses the basic characteristics of life like nutrition, irritability, locomotion, reproduction, excretion, and respiration. Okay. Okay. Oh, maybe some technical problem. I think so. Now I am audible. Okay. He is the father of biochemistry. Carl Alexander Newberg. He is the father of biochemistry. Yes, he is the father of modern biochemistry. Yeah. Girls, unmute your radio. Everyone. Okay. Carl Alexander Newberg. He born 29 July 1877 and died 30 May 1956. Okay. He was an early pioneer in biochemistry. He is often referred to as the father of modern biochemistry. Okay. He is the father of modern biochemistry, which he shows to be processes of successive enzymatic steps, understanding to become crucial as to how metabolic pathway would be investigated by researchers. Okay, did you understand this? He is the father of modern biochemistry. Okay, then what is cell? Cell is the small unit and it's a building blocks of organism. A cell is the structure and functional unit of organisms. Okay. Okay. Then they discover, okay, the Robert Hooke is first discovered by in a cock. Okay, you know, yesterday itself I told Robert is the first discover the cells. Yes. But okay. Then Matthias Gilligan and Theodore Chavan was proposed. Okay, this concept. The two authors are proposed this concept, the study of cells in 1830. Girls, you guys are understand what I'm saying? Okay, okay. Cell theory is a concept which proposed by the Matthias Gilligan and Theodore Chavan. Okay, in 1839. Okay, some cell theory concept. All organisms are assembled out of cells. Cells are organisms. They arises from pre-existing cells and activities of organisms are the outcome of individual cells. Cells having some components: plasma membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, ribosomes, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, lysosomes. Did you understand, girls? Okay. They are the components. Most of these cells are microscopic in size. Most of the cells are microscopic in size. The size of cells are varies from zero point 0.1 micron. Okay, the size of cells are varies from zero point 0.1 micron to 1,70,000 microns, 175 mm. Okay, they are smallest cells. Did you get? Okay. Cells are exhibited various form and shapes. Okay. All cells are spherical in shapes. Certain cells are irregular. They are irregular, tubular, like tube-like cells, and triangular-like, cube-like, and cylindrical shape, round shape, flat, star shape, like this. Okay. They are the shape of cells may vary from and the shape of cells vary from one organism to the another organisms and one organ to another organ. What is organ, girls? Girls, oh, girls, am I audible to you? Are you understanding? Okay. Cell structure. Cell structure. Cells are the structural, you know that, okay? The cells form three main components. There are so many components like cell wall, cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, uh, vacuole, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, smooth and rough, chloroplast, mitochondria, lysosomes, and etc. But there are three main components. First, plasma membrane. Plasma membrane, it is a thin outer limiting membrane of the cell. This is the plasma membrane. It's a thin limiting membrane of the cell. It is primarily gives mechanical support and external shape to the protoplasm. It's primarily gives mechanical support to the protoplasm. Girls, did you understand? Plasma membrane is very thin, about 0.1 micron in thickness. Okay, it's a very thin, about 0.1 micron in thickness. It is a double layered. Did you see this image? Plasma membrane, it's a double layer structure. Okay, the structure, the plasma membrane has fluid mosaic structure. That I will tell you later. What is fluid mosaic structure? Okay. Okay. Then cell wall. Cell wall. The animal cells have no cell wall. Okay. The animal cell has no cell wall, and plant cell has the cell wall. The plant cell have an outer covering layer called cell wall. It is found exterior to plasma membrane. Exterior to plasma membrane. It is differentiated into three layers: primary cell wall, secondary, and tertiary cell wall. Okay. Girls, did you get? Okay. Endoplasmic reticulum. The cytoplasm contains a network. Cytoplasm contains a network of membrane-bound tubules. The cytoplasm contains a membrane of tubules. Okay. It is called endoplasmic reticulum. Did you see this? Rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum in the structure. It is also called cytoskeleton. Okay. It was discovered by Potter in 1948. Girls, it's clear to you? Okay. Endoplasmic reticulum is a halo system, and it's called the cytoplasmic vacuolar system. And okay, one, ribosomes. Ribosomes are minute spherical structure. Ribosomes are minute spherical structures. They are either attached with the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum or scattered freely in the cytoplasm. Okay, they are scattered freely in the cytoplasm. Ribosomes mainly consist of ribonucleic acid, RNA, and protein. Okay, We can study detailed about ribosomes later. Okay, next unit. Okay. Okay. Each ribosomes is composed of two subunits. Okay, a smaller subunit known as 40 subunits and large subunit known as 60 as like. Okay, subunits. 60 as subunits. And mitochondria. Next one is mitochondria. The next component of cell is mitochondria. Mitochondria are rod shaped. Mitochondria are rod shaped. Did you see? Mitochondria, plasma membrane. Next to plasma membrane. Okay. Mitochondria are rod shaped and filamentous structure occurring in the cytoplasm. Okay. They are called mitochondria. It is discovered by Benda 1837. Girls, did you understand? Okay. Okay. Next, Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus next to the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Golgi complex. Another name is for Golgi apparatus. It's called Golgi complex also. Golgi complex occurs a loose fibrils are in the form of network in the cytoplasm. In the form of network in the cytoplasm, it is highly developed in active cells. Okay, it was described by Golgi. Okay, next lysosomes. Lysosomes are small round bodies filled with digestive enzymes. Lysosomes, okay, focusing with incoming phagocytic vacuole. Okay, they are lysosomes are small round bodies filled with digestive enzymes. They were first described by Christine D. Dove. Christine D. Dove. Lysosomes are hollow space filled with fluid rich in hydrolytic enzymes and externally covered by a single membrane. And externally covered by a single membrane. Did you get what is lysosomes? Girls? Okay. The types of cells. Cells are structural and functional unit of life, and viruses is exception because it lacks of cell. Okay, the cells are classified into two types based on the presence and absence of nucleus. They are eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells, the cells containing a true nucleus, are called eukaryotic cells. U means EU. U means true. Karyote means nucleus. True nucleus. Eukaryotic means true nucleus. The eukaryotic cell has defined cytoplasm and a nucleus. Okay, the nucleus is surrounded by the nuclear membrane which separates the nuclear material from the cytoplasm. Did you understand, girls? Okay. Animal cells are eukaryotic cells. Animal cells are eukaryotic cells. Okay. Okay. In the prokaryotic cells, the nuclear material is not surrounded by a nuclear membrane. The nuclear material without a nuclear membrane is called inspacian nucleus or nucleoid. Lacks of nucleide a nuclear membrane. It contains a single circular chromosomes formed by a double-stranded DNA. The prokaryotic cells are plant cells. Girls,